Hop on the bus for a ride to hamburger heaven.
Is that not crazy? All of your kitchens are really a school bus.
Yeah, no, I mean, if we're gonna name ourselves Bernie's Burger Bus, we've gotta continue with the theme.
What'd you have?
The substitute? I had the substitute.
School rules here with burgers that will fire up your taste buds. The fire drill is piled high with melty pepper jack cheese, scintillating salsa verde, spicy guacamole, and chipotle aioli. Then topped with tortilla chips to add the perfect crispy crunch. No semester would be complete without a homeroom. At Bernie's, this flavor feast starts with a decadent combination of cheddar cheese, crispy bacon, terrific tipsy onions, and an unctuous fried egg.
I love it. Everything's amazing. It's so good.
Bernie's Burger Bus started out as a food truck right here in Houston.
It happened. I came up with the idea, slept, woke up and said I'm gonna do it.
But soon, the bus was brought inside when he opened his brick and mortar locations some 6 years ago. Before he was a burger boss, Justin was a personal chef for Houston Rocket Shane Battier.
Yeah, he's a good guy. More of a family member to me now than anything else. A great mentor to me. And,
Shane still keeps in touch with you and still eats here, right?
he will be eating here shortly.
When he's in town.
Yeah, always.
Another mentor, Justin's grandfather, Bernie, a Chicago business owner.
And so till I was 11 years old, I thought his name was Jack. And once I found out his name was Bernie, and I'd heard the story, my grandmother told me it was named after her dad. I said I was going to name my first business after him.
The beef is Justin's own special mix, chuck and brisket, ground fresh in-house every day. The condiments are also made from scratch, fresh every day, including saucy ketchup, spicy mustard, and crispy pickles. Also made in-house, there's special recipe mushrooms and over-the-top onion jam.
We use a combination of burgundy mushrooms, which we make with some really good burgundy wine, and tipsy onions. Slowly caramelize, and we add Jack Daniels to those.
These you guys make here from
We
scratch.
get every day.
And here, you want to get detention. A burger created for a customer who said Justin just didn't make his burgers big enough.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Tell me again about what all's on here.
So it's 2 bacon grilled cheeses, those awesome tipsy onions, 2 patties, homemade mustard, homemade ketchup, homemade pickles.
Okay, this is a manly burger.
Yeah, it's a very manly
There's no way I
burger.
could finish this. That is awesome, but I want to try.
Awesome.
That's awesome.
Oh my God, this is good.
There's more than bodacious burgers on this menu.
We take a lot of pride in our potatoes.
All their fries are hand cut. You'll give them straight A's for these honor roll fries, piled high with a mountain of smoky barbecue brisket, crispy bacon, and perfectly melted cheddar, all blanketed in a mouth-watering barbecue sauce.
So then we got the other ones with the Parmesan, and they're my favorite.
From the perfect French fry to a lesson in how Bernie's cooks the perfect burger.
The cheese is just perfect and ooey and gooey like you want it to be.
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
So this is hot off the grill.
Hot off the grill.
And we're going to put the magic together, right?
Yeah, you and me. So you're going to help me build this burger.
Okay.
Okay. I am going to put a little bit of sauce on both sides of the bun here.
Then comes the lettuce, Bernie's special roasted tomatoes, and some crispy jalapenos, all to give this burger the kind of kick you'd expect with a name like the cheerleader.
Do you bite? You take a bite all
You
in
gotta take
one?
a bite. Yeah, you gotta take a bite all in one.
People really don't just cut it in half.
Well, you know, amateurs.
Okay,
They call them
we're not going to
amateurs.
fall into that category.
All right.
Not at Bernie's.
Not at Bernie's.
Oh man, look how juicy. I love the jalapeno kick.
It's clear Justin and his team at Bernie's Burger Bus are doing things right.
I know we're from San Antonio, and we heard about this place, and we made it a for sure stop on our list to come over here, and it was worth it.
Tangible stuff watching people break bread and create a special moment, that's awesome.
One of the best parts of my job is tasting a lot of wines to find the very best ones to share with you. And that's what I'm going to do right now. I thought in celebration of the cooler weather, we'd do red wines, and red wines from regions outside of Napa. So they're going to be a little more affordable. Some great bargains here. Up first, a wine called Horseplay. This one comes from the Paso Robles region, a region known for making some really good Cabernets. The fruit on this is bold on the front. Think dark cherries, plums, cassis. And then it finishes off with a soft touch and a hint of cocoa. It's just under $20. Some of the best bargains in wine are often buying the second labels. These are wines that are made by the high-profile brands, but they're made by usually the same winemaker, usually many of the same grapes, and priced at about half the price of their star counterpoint. This is one of those wines. This is Laurel Glen's Counterpoint, and it's a beautiful wine. This is a cab from Sonoma, and it has raspberries on the nose, and then lush flavors of plums and cassis, priced at about $30 a bottle, nearly half the price of its famous wine. So look for that one, it's a good bargain. Last on the list today, but definitely not least, a wine made by Josh. All of the Josh wines are always on my go-to list. He also makes a great Chardonnay. This is the Cabernet. The wines are sourced from some of the best vineyards in the wine region, and they result in delicious wines, and you cannot beat the price. This Cabernet is only about $11 a bottle. All of the wines, as always, I found at H-E-B.
Pretty good wine finds, right? Coming up, find out how you could win a stay at the beautiful Houstonian Hotel and Spa. We'll be right back. How about a free weekend at the Houstonian with a little spa love thrown in? Head to Goodtaste TV right now and sign up for a chance to win a luxurious weekend at the Houstonian, complete with spa treatments for you and a guest at the beautiful award-winning Trellis Spa. We love to give away free stuff on Good Taste, so once you've signed up for our newsletter, be sure and follow us on Facebook and on Instagram and Twitter. That's all our time for today. Thanks so much for joining us, and don't forget, if you to Good Taste.